Here in the Advanced Manufacturing Lab on the Lafayette campus, we've attempted to set up the space as a model of what students might see out in industry. We've got our fluid power area. We've got a automation cell that has the smart factory mechatronics trainer. And then we've got motor control, industrial wiring, mechanical drives trainers. And then we've got one open space where we can pull in tables and get portable trainers out. So we're starting to run out of space. We're trying to skill up employees to be able to support new technologies, automation.
Right now I'm going through an apprenticeship through my company. I came into a good opportunity where they send us back to class, and it's good for people who don't already have after schooling and to go ahead and get through and get their certificates to help them better themselves. The first degree I came for was machine tool technology. I came straight out of high school. It seemed like one of the best paying jobs around and something that was always going to be needed.
We've got a separate program, our energy technology program. So it's a renewable energies, so solar, wind. So we've got solar farms popping up around Indiana. We've got wind farms around Indiana. So we're really training students how to maintain that equipment as they go out and work on those farms. There is a great revolving demand, and it's really across the nation. So a lot of our students, they could choose to stay locally, they could choose to move, but as these continue to pop up, it's a specific trade to be able to maintain those systems within the wind turbines.
It's definitely a high demand job, and especially for people that are well versed in all of the trades. Anything that you can put towards fixing a machine or keeping the downtime to a minimal is phenomenal. And I think the companies just want to make sure that they have qualified people that know what they're doing, and this is one of the best ways of doing that.
There is a push to get more semiconductor manufacturers in the Midwest. Battery manufacturing is also coming into central Indiana as well. So just preparing them for those processes.
There you go, now it's coming up.
What we're hearing from the manufacturers is that they need automated maintenance technicians, and then they also need specific training for the skill of manufacturing those components, just because the manufacturing of those components is so far different than what we currently have.
Right now I'm in the role of maintenance apprentice, but when I'm done I'll be a certified mechanic. It's very fulfilling, doing our jobs every day, making sure everything's working. You get to see at the end of the day the fruits of your labor, and I just absolutely love it, and I hope that it keeps going, and it should keep going because mechanics and electricians will always be needed.